What every life insurance beneficiary needs to know about ERISA disability and the payment of life insurance proceeds. If your loved one purchased a life insurance policy through their employer, most likely that claim is going to be covered under a federal law called the Employer Retirement Income Security Act. Now, there are two exceptions. If your deceased loved one worked for a municipality or worked for a church plan, it will be governed by state law. We find that many times ERISA disability life insurance carriers will deny an otherwise valid claim, hoping to hide behind the protections of the ERISA Act. So what's the number one but wrong reason that ERISA life insurance companies will use to deny a valid life insurance claim? They will say not all of the necessary information was submitted. That's the most common excuse we see for denying a claim. The life insurance carrier will send a denial letter that's as clear as mud and only vaguely explains what they really want you to submit to pay the life insurance benefits. The reason that they do that is they want to confuse you. They want to exhaust you so that you'll just give up and walk away from the life insurance benefits that your loved one wanted you to have and your family to have when they passed away. So what can you do? You need to find an ERISA life insurance attorney who can help you regardless of where you live in the United States. ERISA is a very specialized area of the law, and we ERISA lawyers know the games that disability carriers and life insurance carriers will play to deny benefits just because they want to, just because they want to improve their bottom line. Now, how we go about helping you is we get a copy of the claims file and we read it cover to cover together with a copy of the terms of the policy or plan. So we understand what the basic framework is. And of course, we're looking at that file to determine what medical evidence or other scientific evidence they may have used to deny the benefits. And we figure out what it is that needs to be submitted to get the benefits that you and your loved ones deserve. Now remember, filing a claim is one thing, but if that claim is denied, you'll only have a certain period of time in which to file an appeal. And that appeal is the trial of your case. It's not as simple as sending in material because you're not exactly sure why they denied the claim. And many times you'll only have one level of appeal. And if you don't submit what you don't know you're supposed to submit, that can ultimately result in a loss in court. So if you're in a situation where you need to file a claim as a result of your loved one's passing, or this claim has been denied, call us today at 727-894-3188. We can help you regardless of where you live in the United States and regardless of who that life carrier is. 727-894-3188.